What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video we'll be talking about the phone killer, which is a foldable killer, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 killer smartphone, and it's the Huawei P50 Pocket. Now before getting into this smartphone, if you're new here then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that I've done that, let's get started. Now Huawei P50 Pocket is the latest offering from Huawei in the term of a clamshell smartphone, just like the Z Flip 3. Earlier, Huawei has also made 3 iterations of Mate X foldable series, and finally it's time for a clamshell smartphone. Now this smartphone comes with a 6.9 inch of an 120Hz of OLED display on a main screen, and it has a tall aspect ratio of 21:9, just like the Sony smartphones. And not only that, on the front you get a punch hole selfie camera cut out in this smartphone too. Now talking about the cover display of this smartphone, unlike the rectangular cover display on the Galaxy Z Flip 3, it has the 1 inch of circular cover display, which can do also much more than just showing the time, date and notification. Now Huawei will also be supporting a third-party applications and just like the maps, music player and any other applications like you see on your smartwatch too. Now talking about the backside, and it's the camera, which is the triple camera setup with a 40 megapixel of a primary camera, and alongside there is a 13 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, and the third camera approach is a different one, which is a 32 megapixel of ultra spectrum camera, which should boost color rendering in your smartphone. Now on the processor side, the heart of the phone comes with the Snapdragon 888 4G, and as we all know, the Google and Huawei services and the US ban on Huawei. So it will be getting a 4G smartphone and with 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM with half a terabyte of storage or 256 GB of storage. Now software side, it is covered with the Harmony OS, while the battery of the smartphone comes with a 4000 mAh battery with a 40 watt of wired charging support. Now when fold price and the weight of this smartphone comes, then the weight of this smartphone is 190 grams, and the phone comes in 3 color options, which is the black, spectrum, premium edition gold trim and also the white color option. The price of this smartphone starts at 9,000 yuan, which translates equivalent to the $1,400 in US pricing, and the first sale of this smartphone is also being started. Well, as we all know regarding the Huawei smartphones, we don't know when it will launch in the international markets. So for more updates, if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down based on your opinion, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.